Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. So as you can see, we're changing it up a little bit. We're giving it a try outdoors, trying to work out this lighting and everything. We also want to focus more on the production value of our videos, considering that we don't have to pump out a video every single day. We thought we could maybe spice it up a little bit, put a bit of slow-mo, some close-ups, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Really want some feedback to see if you guys like it. And second of all, we're starting a Kickstarter campaign. It's only in the concept stages, but it's cocktail related, so we think you guys will really enjoy it. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can subscribe. Anyone who subscribes, I'll run a giveaway as well. So I'll give away a cocktail kit. I haven't decided exactly which one, but it'll be in the value of $50 to $100. And then you'll also find out what our plans are for this Kickstarter campaign, which I'm sure you guys are going to love. So the Democrat cocktail was created by John Santa from San Francisco, from the bar Bourbon Branch. It's a bourbon cocktail. It's got a touch of peach liqueur, a bit of citrus and honey syrup. So this one's going to be really tasty, really quite simple. It's built in a highball glass over crushed ice. Pick your favorite bourbon. Today I'm going to be using Maker's Mark, 60 mils over that crushed ice, followed by a half shot of peach liqueur, so 15 mils, and lemon juice, 3/4 of a shot or 22.5 mils, and half a shot of honey syrup. So the honey syrup is going to sweeten it up a little bit. The reason we don't have a mixer with this one is because it's built over crushed ice, and that crushed ice is going to add dilution. Now it's in the glass, just give it a quick stir, top it up with crushed ice if you need to, and then simply garnish with a lemon wheel and a sprig of mint. So there you have a Democrat. Cheers. Quite tangy, quite citrusy, but you get that honey and that peach flavour coming through. Works really well with the bourbon. Nice and simple drink to make, just built on crushed ice. Also, if you don't have an ice crusher, then just use a tea towel and a rolling pin and just give it a good smash. It's definitely worth trying. Nice and easy one to make at home. Don't forget to follow the link in the description below so you can win a cocktail kit. And I'll let you know about our Kickstarter campaign as more news comes to light. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.